In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add suppliers to QuickBooks Online. Whether you're setting up your business for the first time or looking to keep your vendor information organized, these steps will guide you smoothly through the process. First, let's get started by heading to the QuickBooks Online website. Once you're on the site, you'll notice the Sign In button located at the upper right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it to begin. Once you've signed in, you'll find the option to choose QuickBooks Online. Make sure to select this as it's the platform where we'll be doing all our work today. Next, you'll need to enter your login credentials. This typically includes your email or username and password. If you're using a shared device or network, take extra precautions to ensure your information remains secure. After typing in your credentials, click on Continue to access your account. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the Expenses tab. This tab is crucial as it holds all the financial details of your business dealings, including supplier transactions. Within this tab, you'll want to locate the Vendors section and click on it. This is where we'll add our new suppliers. Once you're in the Vendors section, look towards the top right corner of the page. Here you'll see a button labeled New Vendor. Clicking on this will open a new window where you can input all the necessary details about your supplier. Let's now move on to filling out the supplier's details. Start by entering the company name. It's important to make sure this is accurate to avoid any confusion later on when you're managing finances. For the next field, you'll need to add the vendor display name. This is how you'll see the vendor listed within QuickBooks, so choose a name that's easily recognizable to you and your team. Now enter the supplier's contact person's first name, middle name, and last name. Adding these details will ensure that you have the right point of contact for any potential communication or inquiries. Once you have the name sorted, input the supplier's email address. This will be crucial for sending invoices, receiving updates, or any other communication required directly from QuickBooks. Moving forward, enter the phone number along with any other pertinent details. This could include a mailing address or notes specific to your interactions with the vendor. These additional details can be helpful for keeping track of conversations or specific agreements. Finally, once you've entered all the necessary information, click on the Save button to finalize the entry. It's always good practice to double check the information before saving to ensure accuracy, as errors here could lead to miscommunication or financial discrepancies later on. And there you have it, a complete supplier added to your QuickBooks Online account. Regularly updating and reviewing this list can help maintain accuracy in your financial records and streamline your business operations. Thank you for watching, and keep those business transactions seamless.